Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that could open doors to new career opportunities and ensure a safer working environment. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of NEBOSH, the world-renowned organization revolutionizing risk management and health and safety. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we'll go through what is NEBOSH. After that, we will see the importance of NEBOSH training, and then we'll move on to the benefits of NEBOSH qualification. Then we'll have a look on the requirements for NEBOSH. Then finally, we'll discuss the qualification NEBOSH offers. So let's dive right in. What is NEBOSH? First things first, what is NEBOSH exactly? NEBOSH stands for the National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. It is an awarding organization in the United Kingdom that provides professional qualifications in health, safety, and environmental management. NEBOSH's globally recognized qualifications are designed to equip the learners with the skills and knowledge to effectively manage health, safety, and environmental issues throughout the workplace. Now you might be wondering, why is NEBOSH training so important? So let's see the importance of NEBOSH training. Well, NEBOSH is not only an examination board that provides syllabus but also conducts examinations for training providers. The diverse range of NEBOSH certifications applies to all levels of staff in a variety of workplaces. These courses are globally recognized and considered an excellent stepping stone towards becoming a fully qualified health and safety professional. NEBOSH also provides specific qualifications in construction, safety, fire safety, and risk management. Now, let's delve into the benefits of NEBOSH qualifications. One of the primary benefits of obtaining a NEBOSH qualification is the global recognition and the respect associated with it. NEBOSH is a well-known awarding body that sets the gold standard in health and safety. Their course contents are developed and reviewed by the world-class experts in the field, ensuring that the syllabus reflects the needs of employers. By earning a NEBOSH certification, you demonstrate to the employers that you possess an up-to-date and proven standard of health and safety knowledge. Additionally, NEBOSH qualifications validate your credentials and support your long-term career growth. Whether you're a manager, supervisor, or staff member, having a NEBOSH certification equips you with the necessary knowledge to create a safer workplace and ensure compliance with the regulations. This not only enhances your professional profile but also contributes to the overall well-being of your organization. Another advantage of obtaining a NEBOSH qualification is that it helps you gain practical and transferable skills. As a NEBOSH graduate, you will have a practical understanding of the optimal health and safety standards in the workplace. The courses equip you to maintain an ideal health and safety culture in your organization. Furthermore, NEBOSH qualifications broaden your spectrum of job opportunities. Many employers specifically require NEBOSH certifications for health and safety roles. By holding a NEBOSH qualification, you accelerate your career progression and stand out among competing candidates in a highly competitive job market. Now let's briefly discuss the requirements for the NEBOSH. While the specific requirements may be varying and depending on the certificate, the certain entry-level certifications like the NEBOSH National General Certificate and the NEBOSH International General Certificate do not necessitate prior knowledge in health and safety. However, these certifications serve as a solid foundation for individuals planning to pursue advanced qualifications such as NEBOSH National Diploma, which is equivalent to an honors degree at level 6. Whether you're starting out in health and safety or you're aiming to advance in your career, NEBOSH has a course tailored to your needs. So let's dive in. Qualifications NEBOSH offers. Begin with the NEBOSH National General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. This certification is widely recognized as the most prominent health and safety qualification in the UK. It opens doors to career opportunities and even allows individuals to apply for membership in the prestigious Institution of Occupational Safety and Health, or the NEBOSH. Moving on, we have NEBOSH International General Certificate in Occupational Health and Safety. This course focuses more on implementing effective health and safety management practices in the workplace. With a high pass rate, individuals who complete this course can qualify for NEBOSH membership or progress to the NEBOSH International Diploma. For those in the construction industry, NEBOSH offers a Health and Safety Management for Construction certificate. This qualification targets managers and supervisors, equipping them with practical skills in managing health and safety to ensure safe construction practices. If fire safety is your area of interest, then the NEBOSH National Certificate in Fire and Safety Risk Management is the leading qualification in the United Kingdom. This certification focuses more on the practical fire safety management, especially in low-risk workplaces. Holders of this certificate gains expertise in conducting efficient fire risk assessments. Another valuable course offered by the NEBOSH is the HSE Introduction to Incident Investigation. This certification provides individuals with necessary skills to conduct independent incident investigations. It also enables them to develop and implement action plans to prevent future occurrences. Now let's talk about the NEBOSH National Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety. Considered the gold standard of health and safety qualifications. This diploma is mandatory in over half of all the health and safety management job advertisements. Holding this qualification gives aspiring health and safety professionals a competitive edge, with diploma holders estimated to earn about a 16% more than those without the certification. And that's a wrap for the discussion. Thank you for watching today's video on NEBOSH. If you found this information valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, investing in your professional development is investing in your future. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, stay safe and see you soon. Thank you.